sweeping? Oh, wow, you're doing a great job. I love it. Thank you for the help. Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, you're working so hard, aren't you? Oh, are you putting it into the dishpan or the dustpan? Yeah, what are you doing? Oh. Oh, I see. You've got yourself a little tangled up here. Here we go. You're working so hard, aren't you? Ah, yes, onto the pots and pans.